Greetings from OmegaCube Technologies. Sales management is one of the core and critical business disciplines for manufacturers. It is the first interaction point between manufacturers and their customers. A manufacturer's success from here depends on how quick they are able to respond to customers' request for quotation, rapidly generate accurate quotation and cost estimation and dispatch them to the customer, create a work order from the sales order and dispatch it to the shop floor, ship a quality product on time and meet the expected delivery date. Their success also depends on how fast they react to changes in customer requirements and obtain desired results. Sales analytics play an important role as it allows manufacturers to analyze sales trends, lead sources, time taken for order processing, quotation preparation time, etc. that can be used to improve sales workflows. A manufacturer's ability to provide in-depth visibility of their sales orders, sales history, shipping details, invoices, warranty details and service information to customers instills a sense of trust, reputation and customer satisfaction. With OmegaCube ERP's advanced sales management module, manufacturers are able to automate sales workflows, process customer quotes, improve sales capability, efficient customer service, parts and service, sales margin analysis. OmegaCube ERP provides a visual representation of workflows to manage your sales processes. The graphical flowchart represents the entire sales process, and can be easily customized based on how each process works. Operating personnel can easily perform various sales order transactions at the click of a button, depending on the phase of operations they are in currently. With OmegaCube ERP, customer quotations can be easily and quickly created from the quotation workflow. A user can provide relevant customer information, shipping date, and product configuration details. For each quotation, configured BOM and pricing details can be generated at a single click of a button. The quotation can be instantly emailed to the customer from the quotation screen. If the sales personnel are on the move, they can access OmegaCube ERP's sales module on their smartphones and tablets. From their mobile devices, they can generate action items and reminders for follow-up with their customers. They can access customer listings and view their contact info, access quotes, view and enter follow-up notes on the go. OmegaCube provides a service agent console for an efficient customer service management. This console provides a 360-degree view of various customer-related information such as customer details, backlog orders, shipments and returns, invoices, work orders, quotations, cash receipts and more. A user can retrieve machine details, parts information and overall service history of customers. OmegaCube allows service personnel to enter parts and service information and link machine serial number to parts order. The screen lets them receive advance payments for service calls from customers. With OmegaCube's advanced data analytics capabilities, manufacturers can access various analytical tools such as margin analysis, sales metrics, and allocation workflow. With Sales Margin Tool, they can conduct in-depth analysis of sales margins based on sales category, time, sales item, customers, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Get in touch with our ERP experts for a detailed demo on OmegaCube ERP. Follow us on our social media handles and our blog to get the latest information on ERP and associated technology. Stay tuned.